My dear fellow ECs, Inavil Namaskar to all of you. District Chairman Jagruti Dosi ji, AC Member Association Secretary Krishna Mohanty ji, District Secretary T. Chiranjeevi, District Treasurer Rasika Bahadur, District ESO Manisha Srivastav, District ISO Anjana Vamra, District Editor Sandhyarani Misra, and District ISO Elect Madhusmita Tripathi, I welcome you all to this unique online interactive District EC Training Institute, Ignite Nurturing the Minds. Friends, now let me share my vision for 2020-21 with you. Good afternoon, friends. I joined District EC in the year 2014-15 as District ISO, and above the years I have observed certain things in the clubs which I would like to discuss with you all, and I would like you all to work upon these points as leaders. First, for incoming Vice Chairman, I would like to say clubs send incoming list in time. But some clubs who never send on asking so many times, work on those clubs, contact them personally and maintain a rapport with them and motivate them to prepare this and send before time. For incoming secretary, I would like to say what I have observed, most of the clubs are hesitating for paperwork. To make their work easier, I am working on a workbook for all the office bearers. Very soon I will send the soft copies to all of you also. Do interact with them and try to make them feel comfortable. One more problem is communication. Interior clubs find it very difficult to cope up with the pressure of communicating in English. Most of them do not understand anything in trainings and in district committee meetings also. That's why I have tried to narrate the topics in Hindi in the training videos with English on screen. And believe me, members are responding to them very well. I would also like to suggest you all to use local language wherever necessary to explain them the things. During these years, what I felt, some people are not comfortable with the communication in English language. Though we send the circulars in English, try to explain them the gist of the circular in audio message in Hindi or local language in your concerned post in WhatsApp groups. Ask the clubs to maintain resolution book and charge handover book. Most of the clubs do not have these two registers. Ask the clubs to start these two registers from this year, and ask the previous leaders to hand over the club literatures to the coming leaders also. For incoming district treasurer, I would like to say what I have observed, most of the clubs do not hand over the account and other financial documents to the successors. उनमें क्या होता है, जो पहले से करते आ रहे हैं कुछ सीनियर मेंबर्स वही उसको मेंटेन करते हैं एंड वो देते नहीं. बट इफ़ वी हैव चूजन अ लीडर एज अ क्लब ट्रेजरर, we should have faith in him, and as per our bylaw, our documents should be handed over to the successors. So kindly mention it in your circular that financial documents should be handed over every year to the successors. Friends, one more thing which I want to introduce for you all this year is email IDs of all district EC, which will be handed over to their successors. Now let me explain you about this. As we all are liberally receiving and sharing our notes, reports, minutes, letters, forms on electronic media, especially on mails, I have created email addresses for all the executive posts. I will post your email addresses here in this group. Password also I will be sending. Please check and change your password immediately as soon as you receive it. I will be making a Google group of all these mail IDs also. Note down the password in your notebook and remember that you will have to use this email for all internal district communications and forward all inter-district correspondence or any correspondence received from association in this ID. As you pass on files during charge handover next year, you will have to pass on the password of this ID and let it go to your successors for further use. You can make a folder of soft copies and pass it to her also, like this time you did. I will print these IDs in district directory also, but to receive communication from association, your own IDs will be given. As soon as you receive the email IDs, change the security settings, give your own phone number in the settings. I will also hand over one pen drive to each district executive marked with your consent post. I want you to save all the soft copies of your tenure, whatever you used or make during your tenure, and at the end of the year, you hand over it to your successors. As we hand over hard copies and files, hand over these pen drives with all soft copies to your successors. Friends, this year as the coronavirus situation broke up, everybody was very much apprehensive that how the ICI will be held. But न कालमति वर्तन्ते महान्तः स्वेषु कर्मसु, मतलब महान लोग अपने कर्तव्यों में देरी नहीं करते। ठीक उसी तरह हमारे एसोसिएशन प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्ट वसुधा चंद्रचूड़ जी ने देर नहीं करके एक अनोखा प्लानिंग किया और ऑनलाइन ICI का आयोजन किया। फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन इनाविल हिस्ट्री वी हैड ऑनलाइन ICI संकल्प। I attended this online ICI from April 3rd and believe me friends, it was a wonderful experience for all of us. During this time, we had many Zoom meetings with incoming association president Vasudha ji and other district chairmen, and one also with IIW president-elect Dr. Bina Vyas ji. When we all incoming district chairmen were very much apprehensive and asked about our work structure in the future, where we have to cancel our physical trainings and meetings due to current situation, how we are supposed to discharge our duties, how we can host assembly and installations, we were being suggested to have Zoom meetings for 50C. We can also arrange district committee meeting on Zoom and pass important resolutions and start working. And on first DC meeting after installation, we can do physical charge handover. I am telling you all this because I want you all to be prepared for this, and please remember the wheel of Innoville should not be stopped, and definitely together we will lead the change. My dear friends, this year Association President-elect Vasudha Chandrachud ji has given a beautiful goal, HOPE, H-O-P-E, which I will be sharing with you all very soon. And for the first time, we have been given International Innoville Goals by the IIW President-elect Dr. Bina Vyas ji. And so, my most important vision will be focus on association goals and international Innoville goals and lead the change with a hope for better future. I wish you all the best for the coming year, and definitely we will lead the change with a hope for better future. Thank you.